Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that the place where your family has lived for generations is no longer safe. Not because of war, not because of an economic crisis, but because the sea is slowly moving closer every year. It may sound like science fiction, but climate scientists warn that rising sea levels could become one of India's biggest long-term challenges. And the question is no longer whether sea levels are rising. The real question is whether future generations may be forced to leave some coastal regions altogether. India has a coastline stretching more than 7,500 kilometers. Along this coastline are some of the country's most important cities, including Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Kochi, Visakhapatnam, and Surat. Hundreds of millions of people depend on these coastal regions for jobs, business, fishing, trade, and daily life. But climate change is increasing their vulnerability. As global temperatures rise, glaciers melt, polar ice sheets shrink, and ocean water expands due to warming. The result is a gradual rise in sea levels. The danger is not that entire cities suddenly disappear underwater overnight. The process is much slower and more complex. Rising seas can cause frequent flooding, coastal erosion, damage to infrastructure, loss of farmland, and contamination of drinking water through saltwater intrusion. Over time, these impacts can make certain areas increasingly difficult to live in. Take Mumbai as an example. The city already struggles with monsoon flooding, dense population, and critical infrastructure located near the coast. When rising sea levels combine with extreme rainfall events, the risks become even greater. And if you are enjoying these powerful current affairs explainers that simplify complex news into easy to understand stories, your one like, one share, and one subscribe genuinely motivates us to continue creating premium quality informative videos every single day. Another vulnerable region is the Sundarbans. This unique ecosystem faces repeated cyclones, coastal erosion, salinity intrusion, and land loss. Some communities have already experienced displacement due to environmental changes. Because of these growing risks, experts around the world are discussing a concept called managed retreat. In simple terms, it means the planned relocation of people and infrastructure away from high-risk coastal areas before disasters become unavoidable. Instead of reacting after a crisis, governments prepare in advance. But relocation is not easy. People need new homes, jobs, schools, healthcare facilities, and social support. That is why climate change is no longer just an environmental issue. It is also a housing issue, a livelihood issue, a migration issue, and a governance challenge. Many experts believe natural solutions will also play a major role. Mangroves, wetlands, coral reefs, and coastal ecosystems act as natural barriers that reduce wave energy and protect communities from storm surges. These are often called nature-based solutions.